Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy pizza pasta in a Ninja Foodi with smart lid. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick and easy one. I'm starting out here with my Ninja Foodi XL with the smart lid. And I'm going to start out by dumping a pound of shell pasta in here. And as you can hear, that pasta is raw, it's dry. I'm going to add in a jar of pasta sauce. Now you can use any kind you like. This here is a 24-ounce jar. And it's a really quick and easy meal for a weekday when you work. And I'm filling my pasta jar up with some water. I'm going to add in 1 jar of water. I might add a little more and we'll see how that looks. Now I have a pack of pepperoni. This here's a 6-ounce pack. Just going to go ahead and put the whole pack in there. And you don't want to throw in a little fresh saver packet that goes in there. Now I'm going to get a little more water. So we're going to add in 1 jar and 1/4 of a jar. And I'm going to grab a spoon. I'm going to give this a stir. And I want to try to separate your pepperoni as much as you can. Now that looks like a lot of liquid in there, but as that pasta cooks and then when it sits after it's done, it'll drink up that excess water in there. Okay. Now I'm going to close my lid down. Okay, now that I have my pasta in there, I'm going to make sure my valve is set on seal. I'm going to turn this on. We're going to slide the selector over from air fryer stovetop past steam crisp to pressure cook. Now this is set at 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it there on high pressure. I'm going to press start. Now this will come up to pressure. We'll let the pressure cook for 10 minutes. Then we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, I decided to let this go for 8 minutes instead of 10, and I did a quick release of the pressure. See how my pasta drank up all that liquid. I'm just stirring it now to get the pepperoni mixed in there. That way there it's all throughout, not just some big piles of it in there. Okay, now I'm going to take some shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to sprinkle this here on top of the pasta. I just want to put a nice healthy coating on there. Now if you do this in a regular pressure cooker, you would just put the lid back on and let this melt. The cheese melt in there under the heat of the hot pot in the pressure cooker. But we're going to air crisp this, get a nice little brown on top of the cheese. That's looking good. So I'm going to close my lid down. And we're set on the air fry setting. I'm going to set it down to air fry. Now it's at 390 for 20 minutes. I'm going to do 5 minutes. Alright guys, this one for about 4.5 minutes. Probably 3.5 minutes would have been great. It still looks good though. It's nice and toasty and the cheese is all melted. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I add a little bit of Italian seasoning on top for some color and extra flavor. Let me get in here and try this, guys. Try some pasta and pepperoni. The pasta it's cooked good. I like mine tender. I don't like it al dente. If you want yours al dente, you probably want to go for probably about 6 minutes rather than 8. Pepperoni's cooked, has a nice flavor. It's nice and cheesy. Guys, that's really easy and really delicious. Perfect for a busy weekday. Alright, there you have it. Easy pizza pasta in a Ninja Foodi with smart lid. Thanks for watching. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.